morning. So I just wanted to get into the plant-based alternative to toothpaste. I had already had my breakfast and everything and gotten everything done, and I noticed that I was out of it, and I did promise it to you guys. No, promise to show you guys how I do it. So that is what we're gonna do. Mine in just this jar I reuse that is from a purchase from Chemical Collection. However, you can use whatever you want. You could get a good size container, Walmart, Dollar Tree, wherever is, best for you. Let's get started. I would say more so than trying to do it. I have my base, which will be, the greater part of this is my organic, unrefined virgin coconut oil. It is organic and great value. I got this from Walmart. You can find it pretty much wherever food is sold. Walmart, Whole Foods, whatever. And of course, if you, for whatever reason, don't want to go the organic unrefined route, which I can recommend, there is other options at Dollar Tree and just really anywhere, because you want to start somewhere. You might not be able to go that route, but do what you can. I'm gonna get you guys. Here is my wheelchair. I'm gonna get a spoon. This is a new jar. So I'm gonna just open it up and scoop out a good amount of the coconut oil. See that? Little required a little effort, just enough to eventually fill the jar. And of course, if you're familiar or have used coconut oil before, you know that it softens eventually. So just keep that in mind when you fill your jar. And I'm gonna just kind of go with that. I'm gonna rinse my hands off. I've got a couple of spices. include the benefits of these spices and the edit of this video. And I don't want to put too much of anything, but just enough. I'm not measuring it. I'm all eyeballing about of each, and I actually forgot the turmeric, so I'm gonna get that. Not too much of anything. Now, there's a lot of herbs that can be added to this, honestly, because there's a lot of benefits for the teeth and a lot of different herbs. You know, you just have to know what is needed for yourself, and what is available to you. I will try to include some other options. I sometimes put in liquid chlorophyll, just because that's really good for, you know, the breath and just a general body deodorizer. So and it gives it a kind of greenish color like you would see on some toothpaste. And I'll probably fast forward this. Thanks for watching. See y'all in the next video. Bye.